Hey besties, in today's video I'm going to be continuing with recession proof businesses that you can do. Yes, so these are businesses that are immune whenever there is a recession. Now the first on my list, I'm going to continue from where I stopped last week. In case you missed that video, please make sure that you check out my previous video and then continue with this one. The first on my list is real estate. There's so many aspects to real estate that you can do and make money. You can become a real estate agent. Yes, so now, do you know that agents can be flexible to work to focus on what the market demands? So whether it means listing homes or helping buyers. If people don't own their homes, they must be renting them. Yes, so property management is also something you can do. Now, you can manage property of large multi-family buildings or individual homes. It can be lucrative even during recessions. Yes. And then investment firms. Uncertain times see many people looking for more secure investments like multifamily homes or rental units. Financial services is something that you can also do. In case you're asking, what is it? Now, millions of businesses and firms seek outside help regarding accounting and other financial services, as do individuals, yes. With rules and regulations getting more complicated and confusing, consulting experts seem to be the go-to move. Services offered, yes, include tax preparation, bookkeeping, and invoice outsourcing. Worldwide, the financial services market grew from $2.5 trillion to $3.3 trillion between 2010 and 2018. Now, why is it recession proof? Now, even if the economy slows down, it never comes to a full halt. In fact, financial services drive the economy. Yes, so many financial and accounting services continue to do well during hard times. Example is tax preparation. Yes, staying in line with federal regulations is critical when filing taxes. Businesses need to ensure their financial records and statements are in proper order, whether there's recession or not. Another thing you can do is investment services. Yes, with an unpredictable economy, businesses and people alike will want extra guidance when deciding where to invest their money. Yes, insurance comes in. Now, during a recession, it is extra important for individuals and businesses to protect themselves and their bank accounts. Another thing you can do during recession is home improvement services. Yes, so home improvement services. What is home improvement services? Home improvement services encompasses a wide range of offerings which is aimed at enhancing and maintaining residential properties. These services can include renovations, remodeling, repairs, and upgrades to various areas of a home like kitchen, bathrooms, flooring, roofing, and so much more. Whether homeowners want to increase their property value, create a more comfortable living space, or address necessary repairs, the home improvement industry caters to their diverse needs. Now, the home improvement industry accounted for $538 billion in 2021 and is expected to reach $620 billion by 2025. Why is it recession proof? Now, certain services this industry provides, like HVAC repair, electric, and home repair, they are necessary even during a recession. AC units don't care about the economic situation, but many Americans live in areas where you cannot simply live without it. They have damaged rooms, leaking pipes, and other issues will still be needed to repair immediately. Home improvements also turned out to be a COVID-proof business. With many people stuck at home, many people decided to fix up their houses. And examples of home renovations. People looking to get the most significant return on their investments may need to do some home renovations before they sell their homes. Other people who find themselves spending much time at home than usual may consider remodeling their bathrooms or their kitchen. Now, HVAC, maintaining a comfortable home temperature, is more critical now than ever while people continue to work from home. With record temperatures in both directions, it is clear the need for HVAC services is not going anywhere soon. Plumbing is also a service, yes, and plumbing emergencies. Now, regarding plumbing, typically it needs to be handled as soon as possible to avoid causing extensive damage to other parts of the home. When people need plumbing services, they want you right now. Another service you can provide is pet care services. Now, what is it? Americans love their pets. I can assure you, they treat their pets like human beings, like a child. Yes, even children in other countries don't get good treatment. Even in this country, some children don't even get better treatments than some dogs, animals, cats, even snakes. Therefore, the animal care industry is massive and it covers many categories, including medical care, toys, daycare, and so much more. As people become more educated on animals' needs and welfare, they are highly aware of where they put their money when it comes to their pets. The global pet care market is expected to grow more than 325 billion in 2028, with dog products and services pulling in the highest revenues. Now, why is it recession proof? If you believe anything you read on the internet, millennials have cancelled having children. Yes, so and they are having pets instead. Yes, especially after the pandemic, the pet industry is breaking records, and the proper pet care is not something most people are willing to forego when money gets tight. Example, veterinary services. Yes, it can be broken down into offices that provide medical and dental treatments for animals, as well as labs that provide testing. Now, the US is expected to have an even bigger shortage of vets and vet technicians by 2030, which can raise prices and profits. Another service here is grooming services. Yes, grooming is growing faster than veterinary. You can groom animals. It's growing faster than veterinary services because people realize that poor grooming leads to bigger health problem. The popularity of poodle mixes and other designer dogs helps too. You can also do pet products. Yes, new demand for nutritious, natural foods and pet tech have seen considerable growth. Yes, so in the pet product side of things, especially with e-commerce, business consulting is another thing you can do. In case you're wondering, what is business consulting? It includes a broad range of professional services other companies need help with, like strategy, market research, or even public relations. Consultants or consulting firms are meant to help their clients by solving specific problems or issues, often saving them money. From freelancers to large firms, consulting businesses are generating up to $300 billion in annual revenue. Why is it recession proof? Businesses can stay afloat during recession because of their ability to be flexible and adapt to market situations. If companies are struggling to make money and you can help them to create growth or optimize during a recession, definitely they want to keep you around. Plus, staying profitable will be much easier with no inventory and little overhead. And examples of that are cost reduction. Yes, cost reduction consulting. If businesses are hurting, and then helping them to raise their bottom line, yes, by saving money in various aspects of their business, is a service that will be well in demand during a recession. IT consulting is another one you can look at. There is not a single business out there that can run without technology systems. Now, new technology can increase productivity and streamline processes, which is very attractive to companies that cannot hire new employees. Sales consulting is also one of it. Now, when consumer purchasing slows down, businesses may need to bring in outside help to improve the sales process. You can also do SaaS, software as a service. Now, the SaaS market has grown at insane speeds over the past 10 years, and they are not likely to slow down. Software as a service is delivered through the internet rather than installing complicated software and hardware. And as a cloud-based service, the ease, scalability, and security are high. Users typically pay a monthly or yearly fee. The rapid growth is expected to continue, with the market estimated to be about $208 billion in 2023. Yes, with US companies leading the way. Why is it recession proof? The SaaS industry is another with little to no overhead, making it easier to maintain during a recession. In addition, many of these softwares are fully integrated into business processes, so companies can't even afford to ditch them during a recession. Example is telemedicine. Yes, software. Yes, telemedicine software. Telemedicine got a massive boost during the pandemic. Telehealth can be a much more affordable option for many people during a recession, so telemedicine software will continue to flourish. Another one here on my list is virtual classroom software. This software is not just for schools that are still doing distant learning. Companies also use this type of software for employee training, and thousands of individuals offer online classes for various potential jobs, hobbies, or even languages. Telecom software is another one. We all saw the rise of Zoom during the pandemic. We also how Zoom became the most, in fact, they blew up during the pandemic. Yes, but there are plenty of other telecom software that businesses rely on. Yes, more than traditional emails and phone calls. The next one on my list here is healthcare. What is it? The healthcare industry includes a wide range of services, from hospitals to medical clinics to pharmaceutical companies and medical equipment and manufacturers. The healthcare sector is dedicated to promoting, maintaining, and restoring human health through medical and therapeutic interventions. And according to Statistica, the healthcare market is expected to reach nearly 59 billion in 2023 and show an annual growth rate of 10.4% in the years to come. In case you're wondering, why is it recession proof? Guys, healthcare is fundamental. It's a fundamental need that people cannot do without, regardless of the economic situation. People want to stay alive and healthy. Now, during a recession, individuals may cut back on unnecessary spending, but they will continue to seek medical care when it is necessary. Moreover, the recent global pandemic has highlighted the significance of pandemic-proof businesses in the healthcare industry and the ability to provide essential medical services, telehealth consultations, and innovative solutions while adapting to rapidly changing circumstances has highlighted the industry's resilience. Examples are medical clinics. Yes, outpatient medical facilities like urgent care centers and specialized clinics cater to various medical needs and continue to see patients even during a recession. Yes, so they also have labs. Medical labs offer essential diagnostic services including blood tests, imaging, and pathology, aiding in the diagnosis and treatment of various medical conditions. Yes, so guys, I'm going to continue in my next video. Make sure that you introduce yourselves in case you have not. I'd like to know your meet, where in the world are you tuning in from? And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say a big thank you. If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Mariam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. Please tune into this channel every day. There's always something new for everyone. I always share valuable resources that help you become the best version of yourself. And to all my Patreon members, I want to say a big thank you to you guys once again. Thank you for your love and massive support. If you'd like to become a Patreon member of this community, of this channel, please find the link in the description and in the comments. When you join my Patreon community, when you join my Patreon membership, you get a free one-on-one consultation with me. You have full and free access, direct access to me. Yes, we can discuss all things money, business, grants, and everything in between. And that is it for today, guys. In case no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you are amazing and I am so proud of you. All right, guys, take care of yourselves and go to Express, and I will see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye for now.